As the popularity of mechanical keyboards grows due to their ergonomic benefits for typists and gamers, so does the need for posture correctors. Prolonged desk work and screen time often lead to back and shoulder strain. That's why posture correctors are gaining traction for their role in supporting proper alignment and relieving discomfort. This guide evaluates the top models based on comfort, adjustability, material quality, ease of use, and real-world effectiveness. List number: Enthra Posture Corrector for women and men. BI Straps Bamboo Fiber Back Brace. The Enthra Posture Corrector stands out with its bamboo fiber construction, making it breathable and eco-friendly while providing firm yet comfortable support. Designed with a unique BI strap system, it evenly distributes tension across your shoulders and upper back, gently pulling you into proper alignment. It's fully adjustable to fit most body types and works well under clothing for discreet wear. List 2. V-Correct Posture Corrector, stylish and supportive pink medium. The V-Correct Posture Corrector merges function with fashion, available in a unique pink color. It's tailored for those who want support without sacrificing style. It's lightweight and soft, making it comfortable for extended wear. The elastic fabric is breathable and non-irritating, perfect for sensitive skin. Its dual adjustable straps offer a snug and customized fit, gently reminding your body to maintain better posture. List number: Posture Corrector for women and men. Adjustable and comfortable back brace. This all-purpose posture corrector offers a balanced combination of comfort, adjustability, and support. Designed for both men and women, it features wide padded straps that don't dig into your shoulders, making it a great option for longer wear. The adjustable straps help achieve a custom fit while improving posture and alleviating upper back tension. It gently retrains your muscles and spinal alignment over time. List number: Wineo Posture Corrector, upgraded support for lower back relief. The Wineo Posture Corrector is a solid choice for users dealing with both upper and lower back discomfort. It features an upgraded design that extends support beyond the shoulder blades down to the lumbar area. This full back coverage helps relieve stress in the lower spine while keeping the upper back straight. Crafted with breathable mesh and reinforced stitching, it ensures durability and airflow during prolonged use. List 9. H-Lowe's Posture Corrector, lightweight, breathable, and adjustable. The H-Lowe's Posture Corrector offers a lightweight and breathable solution for people seeking gentle support and posture training. Its elastic and soft materials hug the body without causing skin irritation or discomfort. Adjustable straps across the shoulders and back allow for a personalized fit, ensuring it stays secure throughout the day.